Hello students, in previous video we have discussed all the questions of exercise 5.4. Today we will start with exercise 5.5 logarithmic differentiation. See the first question, y is equals to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. We can apply chain rule, okay? We have product rule, using that product rule, okay? And with the help of chain rule we can differentiate this question, but it will be lengthy. But if we proceed taking log both the side, our differentiation will become easier. Okay, as we know that log m into n into r into and so on, this is equals to what? Log m plus log n plus log r and so on. In a similar manner, log m to the power n is equals to what? N log m. Log m upon n is equals to what? Log m minus log n and so on. These are the properties related to log, and we have idea of these properties. Okay, so using logarithm we will try to solve these numericals. Okay, now the question is that determine the value of dy by dx. Okay, now if we take log both the side, we'll get log y is equals to log of, this is your cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Log y is equals to log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Okay, log m into n, that is equals to what? Log m plus log n. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get, now see, if we differentiate this with respect to x, differentiation of log y will be equals to what? 1 by y. And as we are differentiating this with respect to x, so differentiation of y with respect to x will be equals to what? Dy by dx. Now log cos x, its differentiation will be equals to what? 1 by cos x into differentiation of cos x minus sin x plus this log cos 2x 1 by cos 2x, differentiation of cos 2x minus sin 2x, and differentiation of 2x is equals to what? 2. Okay, now plus this log cos 3x, differentiation of this log cos 3x will be equals to what? 1 by cos 3x, differentiation of cos 3x minus sin 3x, and differentiation of 3x will be equals to what? 3. Okay, now after simplifying we will get this dy by dx is equals to this y into, see, minus is here also, minus is here also, minus is here also, so we can take minus common, so this becomes what? Minus y sin x by cos x, that is equals to what? Tan x plus sin 2x by cos 2x tan 2x, and 2 is here, so twice of tan 2x. Okay, now sin 3x by cos 3x tan 3x plus thrice of tan 3x. This is the required answer, where y is equals to what? Cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Okay, so either you write this or you represent in the simplest form, that dy by dx is equals to minus of this cos x cos 2x cos 3x into tan x plus twice of tan 2x plus thrice of tan 3x. So this is the required answer. Okay, so this is how we solve numerical of this type. Okay, we take log and then we proceed in order to make the numerical simple. Okay, so that our calculation part becomes easier. Okay, so this was question number 1. Now let us start with question number 2. Now see, we have to differentiate y is equals to root over x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Okay. Now see, if we proceed applying chain rule, differentiation of root x will be equals to what? 1 by 2 root x, and then we have to use u by v. There is also u into v. Okay. The numerical will be very lengthy. Okay, if we proceed in that manner. But at the same time, if we proceed applying log both the side, the calculation part will become easier. So let us take log. This log y is equals to log, this is our x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5 whole to the power 1 by 2. Now we know that log m to the power n is equals to what? N log m. So we can write it in this manner: log y is equals to 1 by 2 log x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Okay. Now again, log m upon n, that can be written as what? Log m minus log n. Okay. So this log y is equals to 1 by 2. This is log x minus 1, x minus 2 minus log x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5. Okay. Now this log m into n is equals to what? Log m plus log n. See, you after first step, okay, we write taking log both the side, and after that straight away we can write this one. Okay, or even step next to it, that is log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2 minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. Okay, just for the clear understanding, so that you should not have any confusion. Okay, I have just elaborated in this manner. Okay, so that you can understand the concept, that from where we are transforming it. Okay, but if you can write this directly, you can do that in your exam. Okay. Now see, here we can write this as log y is equals to 1 by 2 log, this is your x minus 1 plus log x minus 2. Okay, minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 and minus log x minus 5. Okay, or now differentiating with respect to x. Okay, we get what is the differentiation of log y? 1 by y, and differentiation of y with respect to x, that will be equals to what? Dy by dx. Here differentiation of log y 1 by y and differentiation of y with respect to x dy by dx. 1 by 2 is constant. Differentiation of log of x minus 1 will be equals to what? 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. Okay, or this dy by dx is equals to y by 2 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 1 by x minus 3 1 by x minus 4 1 by x minus 5. This is the required answer. Okay, so this is how we differentiate such type of numericals. Now let us start with question number 3. Now see this, y is equals to log x to the power cos x. This is a logarithmic function, this is a cosine function. Now see, whenever y is expressed in this form, fx to the power gx, that is function to the power function, whenever any of the function is expressed in this manner, that is function to the power function, we proceed by taking log. we have the formula of x to the power n, we have the formula of x to the power a, we have the formula of a to the power x. Okay, but we don't have any formula for x to the power x. Okay, I have given you 23 formulas, and if you take the look of those formulas, you will find there that x to the power n, I have given the formula for this differentiation of x to the power n. This is equals to what? N x to the power n minus 1. Differentiation of x to the power a, variable to the power constant a x to the power this x to the power n and x to the power a, they both are same. Here a to the power x, a to the power x ln a. Okay, constant to the power variable, we have the formula for that, and variable to the power constant, we have the formula for that. But variable to the power variable, we don't have any formula. Okay, now so whenever a function will be expressed in this manner, that is function to the power function, that is variable to the power variable, what you do, that you proceed by taking log. Okay, that log y is equals to log x to the power cos x. Okay, now this log y is equals to cos x into log of log x. Okay, now see this cos x, this is one of the function, this is one of the function, and log of log x, this is another function. Okay, so this is in a form of what? U into v. Now let us differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get differentiation of log y, that will be equals to what? 1 by y, and differentiation of y with respect to x will be equals to what? Dy by dx. Now this is equals to, now this is in a form of u into v, so keeping u constant, we differentiate this log of log x. Log of log x will be equals to what? 1 by log x, and differentiation of log x will be equals to what? 1 by x. Okay, plus this log of log x constant, and differentiation of cos x will be equals to what? Minus sin x. Okay, now here we have differentiated the given function, so the value of this dy by dx will be equals to what? Let us simplify this. This dy by dx is equals to y into, this is your cos x upon x log x. Okay, minus this is sin x into log of log x. This is the required answer. Okay, you substitute the value of y, okay, and simplify it further, or you write it here, you leave it here only. Okay, this is the required answer, you will get the complete mark. Okay, but if it can be further simplified, you simplify it. Always answer is represented in the simplest form. Okay, now so this was question number 3. Now let us start with question number 4. Now see question number 4. Now see here, function to the power function, this is in a form of a to the power x, constant to the power x. Now we don't have any formula for log m plus minus n. Okay, we can expand this m into n. Okay, m to the power n, m by n, and so on, but this log m plus minus n, okay, we don't have any formula for this log m plus n. Okay, now so we have two choice here to solve this numerical. Okay, the first one, that we consider this as u and this as v, that is y is equals to what? U minus v. Now as per the question, we have to determine the value of what? Dy by dx. Now if we differentiate this with respect to x, the value of dy by dx is equals to what? Du by dx minus this dv by dx. Okay, now we have the value of u, as we have assumed that u is equals to what? X to the power x. Also the value of v is equals to what? 2 to the power sin x. Okay, so separately we will determine the value of dy by dx, this du by dx and dv by dx. Okay, and we will substitute the value of du by dx and dv by dx in this alpha, okay, as a result of which we'll get the value of dy by dx, okay. Now one of the method is this. Now the second method we have that y is equals to, see, this e to the power this ln x to the power x, we can write it in this manner, okay, e to the power ln x to the power x. Why so? Because e to the power ln k is equals to what? K. Okay. So this e to the power ln x to the power x, its value will be equals to what? X to the power x. So this x to the power x, this can be written as y is equals to e to the power ln x to the power x or log x to the power x. Okay. And what concept we are using here? We are using this property of log, that e to the power log k is equals to what? K. Okay. Now, in a similar manner, this, see, 2 to the power sin x, here we see this is in a form of a to the power x, and we have the differentiation for a to the power x. Suppose that at place of a to the power x some other function is expressed there in form of x to the power, that is fx to the power gx. Okay, so in that case also we'll write fx to the power gx in this manner, okay, and then we can differentiate because we have the formula for e to the power x. Differentiation of e to the power x is equals to what? E to the power x. Okay, in this question this we have transformed in this manner, and as we have the formula of a to the power x, okay, so we have copied it as it is. Okay, in next question, question number 5, okay, no, question not 5, question number 6. In question number 6, when we will discuss question number 6, I will explain you that both u as well as v is expressed in a form of what? Function to the power function. So both fx as well as gs, okay, both of these we will express in this manner. Okay, so we'll discuss later on when I will reach to question number 6. Okay, let us solve this one now. So it completely depends upon you that how you want to proceed. Now see, if we differentiate this dy by dx is equals to, differentiation of e to the power x is equals to what? E to the power this ln x to the power x into d dx of this log x to the power x. Okay, here differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x, okay, and then differentiation of this, so differentiation of log x to the power x minus differentiation of a to the power x is what? A to the power x log a ln 2, okay, and then differentiation of sin x will be equals to what? Cos x, and differentiation of x will be equals to what? 1 we have reached till dx by dx, or this dy by dx is equals to e to the power, see, e to the power ln x to the power x, its value is what? X to the power x, so now we can write it as x to the power x, okay, differentiation of log x to the power x, or we can write this as d dx of x log x as log m to the power n is equals to what? N log m, minus this is cos x into log 2 into 2 to the power sin x. Okay, so okay, we have expressed in this manner. Now dy by dx, this dy by dx is equals to x to the power x. Okay, now this is in a form of what? U into v. Okay, so keeping x constant, we'll differentiate log x. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. Now keeping log x constant, we differentiate x, and differentiation of x is what? 1. Okay, minus this is your cos x into log 2 into twice 2 to the power sin x. Okay, so this x and x cancelled, or dy by dx is equals to x to the power x 1 plus log x minus this is your cos x log 2 to the power sin x. This is our required answer. Okay, this is one of the method. Okay, the second method, this one. Okay, let us discuss this also. Here we have assumed u is equals to what? X to the power x, and as we know that if the given function is expressed in a form of function to the power function, then we proceed by taking log. So here log u will be equals to what? X log x. Now when we differentiate this, differentiation of log u 1 by u and differentiation of u with respect to x du by dx. X constant, differentiation of log x 1 by x plus log x constant, differentiation of x will be equals to what? 1. This x and x cancel. Here du by dx is equals to what? U, that is x to the power x 1 plus log x. Okay, and v is equals to what? 2 to the power sin x. So differentiation of v with respect to x, differentiation of a to the power x, a to the power x log a, and differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Now see, when we substitute this du by dx and dv by dx in alpha, okay, the value of dy by dx will be equals to what? Dy by dx is equals to x to the power x 1 plus log x. Okay, see here, x to the power x 1 plus log x minus dv by dx, and d by dx is equals to what? 2 to the power sin x. See here, 2 to the power sin x log 2 cos x. Okay, so we have two choice. We can proceed in either way. Okay, you can proceed in this manner also, or you can proceed in this manner also. Okay, so if the function is expressed in this manner, okay, we will differentiate in this way. Okay, now let us discuss question number 5. This was all about question number 4. Now let us start with question number 5. Okay, now see question number 5. If we take log, this is log y is equals to what? 2 log x plus 3 plus 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5. Okay, log m into n into p, log m plus log n plus log p, and then log m to the power n, n log m. Okay, so using that property, we can write this y is equals to this x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole to the power 4 in this manner. Okay, taking log both the side. This is our equation 1. If we take log both the side in equation 1, okay, we'll get this. Now differentiating this with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. Now see, differentiation of log y will be equals to what? 1 by y, and differentiation of y with respect to x dy by dx is equals to this 2 constant, differentiation of log x 1 by x, okay, plus 3 upon x plus 4 plus 4 upon x plus 5, or dy by dx is equals to y into 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. This is the required answer. So this is all about question 5. Now let us start with question number 6. Now see question number 7. Here, see question number 6. Let us assume this as u and this as v. Okay, as we have discussed question number 4, okay, there one of the function, that is u, it was in the form of fx to the power gx, and the second was, it was in a form of what? A to the power x. But here both u as well as v is expressed in a form of function to the power function, and as I have told you that whenever the given function is expressed in such type of form, that is function to the power function, we proceed by taking log. Okay, and for that we have two choices. The first one, that let us assume this as u, this as v, then the value of y will be equals to what? U plus v. This implies that the value of dy by dx will be equals to what? Du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, now separately we will calculate the value of du by dx and dv by dx, and then we will substitute in this equation. Okay, one of the method is this, and the second method was that we will express this in a form of what? E to the power log x plus, we can write this as y is equals to e to the power this ln x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. Okay, why so? Because e to the power ln k is equals to what? K. That is, when we will simplify this, we will get x plus 1 by x to the power x only, plus e to the power here ln x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, now when we simplify this, we will get x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, and we have the differentiation of e to the power x. Differentiation of e to the power x is equals to what? E to the power x. Okay, we'll apply the chain rule, we'll get the answer. Okay, so this is one of the method. We can proceed in this way to get the answer. Okay, and the first one which we have discussed, that let us assume first function as u, second function as v. Okay, and then you solve it separately by taking log, differentiate it, whatever value is coming you substitute in equation A. You will get the value of dy by dx. Okay, so let us proceed in that manner only. Okay, here u is equals to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. Okay, and v is equals to x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, it completely depends upon you that which method you feel convenient. Okay, whichever method you are feeling convenient, you proceed by that method. Okay, but while correction, we always observe that maximum students, they proceed in this manner only. Okay, so it might be that student they must be means feeling this method easier, that's why they are following this method. Okay, so I am also solving by this method only. Okay, but it completely depends upon you all that which method you want to use. Okay, now see, if we take log both the sides, this will be log u will be equals to what? X log x plus 1 by x. Okay, now if we differentiate this with respect to x, differentiation of log u is what? 1 by u, and differentiation of u with respect to x, du by dx. Now this is equals to x, this is in a form of u into v, keeping x constant and differentiating this. So x into 1 by x plus 1 by x. Okay, differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x into differentiation of x 1, and differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Okay, now plus log x plus 1 by x, this is constant, and differentiation of x will be equals to what? 1. Okay, or we have du by dx is equals to, therefore this du by dx is equals to u, that is x plus 1 by x whole to the power x, u into here x 1 minus 1 by x square upon x plus 1 by x. Okay, plus log of x plus 1 by x. Okay, we can further simplify this. See, if we multiply this from x, this will be what? X minus 1 by x. Okay, so here we get x minus 1 by x, and here x plus 1 by x. You take LCM, x and x will be cancelled, so you can convert that in the simplest form. Okay, so I am leaving that part for you all. Here du by dx is equals to what? This we have determined the value of du by dx. Let this be equation 1. Now here we have assumed v is equals to this. Now if we take log both the side, we will get log v is equals to 1 plus 1 by x log x, log m to the power n, and log m. Okay, now let us differentiate this. If we differentiate this with respect to x, differentiation of log v 1 by v, and differentiation of v with respect to x will be equals to what? dv by dx. This is equals to 1 plus 1 by x constant, and differentiation of log x what? 1 by x, plus now this keeping log x constant, we are differentiating this. Differentiation of 1 will be equals to what? 0, and differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Okay, so this dv by dx will be equals to v into, that is x to the power 1 plus 1 by x into, now see here, if we take LCM, x plus 1 by x square, that is x plus 1, and here minus log x by x square. This is equation 2. So we have the value of du by dx as well as dv by dx. So now when we substitute this du by dx and dv by dx in equation A, we'll get the value of dy by dx, because dy by dx is equals to what? Du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, so when we substitute the values of du by dx from equation 1 and dv by dx from equation 2 in equation A, we get the value of dy by dx. Okay, just you express this in the simplest form. See here, x to the power m, here x to the power n, so x to the power m minus n. Okay, you simplify that part, and there also you simplify this part. Okay, so you express that in simplest form and substitute here in equation A, that is the required answer. Okay, so in this video we will share up to question number 6. In next video we will start with question number 7. Thank you.